Well, a new week brings new records for the Dow, the S&P, and for the Nasdaq. And once again, there was a decided lack of volatility today. None of the major averages ever strayed very far from the unchanged level. And at the close, they had very modest gains. But it was enough. The Dow rose 31 points. We're now at 28,036. Nasdaq added 9. The S&P was up just 1. But this was not just another record close powered by the same old stocks. A closer look at the market shows strength in some unexpected places, and that could mean new opportunities for investors. Bob Pisani is following the money for us tonight.
Stocks stage another quiet run to record highs. The Dow, the S&P, NASDAQ all notching new milestones, just barely. Although today's rally was defensive, led by real estate and consumer staples, it's been a solid November overall for the major averages. Market rotation is pushing big swaths of normally conflicting sectors to new highs all at the same time. This doesn't happen very often. So right now, not only is the market cap weighted S&P 500 at new highs, but the equal weighted version of that index is also at new highs. Well, it means it's not just the mega cap companies like Apple and Microsoft pulling their weight and carrying the broader index higher. The gains are more broad based, and that's really good news. Investors love that. There's been a lot of talk about a rotation out of growth and into value, but the fact is both value and growth stocks are hitting new highs at the same time. That's a little unusual. Value stocks are things like bank stocks. Growth are things like Google and Microsoft. Beyond that, defensive and cyclical names are hitting new highs. So defensive groups, consumer staple, healthcare, new highs, right along with cyclical, economically sensitive groups like technology and communication services. You see? It seems like every time one sector falters, another one takes its place. And much of that optimism has been fueled by a combination of positive trade headlines and a general sense that maybe global growth is bottoming out. The key question now is how long can the so-called perfect rotation continue? We don't know, but enjoy it. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.